point, there is software engineering internship opportunity for freshers and those who are pursuing the BTech. Zigment company, Zigment.ai. So the details you can see here. About the role, finally a student or recent graduate in computer science information technology, basic understanding of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the details and training, structured 3-month onboarding program, regular mentorship sessions with senior developers. So interview process, application, aptitude test, online technical test, final round. So this is the information. So you can apply the opportunity. The link is provided here and the link is provided in the description box. You can go to that link and apply if you are interested and share to your friends also. Thank you all.